My earliest memory is of the beach. I would ask my parents why the water was on fire. I would always run into the surf, trying to catch the flames with my hands. That was so long ago, but I've never forgotten that burning water.
That's amazing. Hey.
What the hell?
I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry.
Wait. Forget it.
I didn't mean to distract him.
I heard it the first time. I said forget it.
My name is Anna. I'm in your class. This class. I really like your painting. I'm trying to kind of imitate what you do, actually, in mine. And I wondered, maybe you could kind of tell me what you thought of mine.
Okay. Show me.
Okay.
Are you kidding me? Your work is completely off. You should perfect your drawing instead of rushing to paint it. Even a blind person can paint better than you. Just grab the thing and tell me when you got something worth critiquing. Hey, sexy. I bet you thought the night was over. I'm Kelvin Chance, international painter. Don't be shy. You know, I'm a skilled painter. Have you watched Titanic? You know, you can pose on the couch, my place. I'll be Jack. And you'll be Rose.
What the hell's going on here?
Oh, we were just starting to have some fun.
That's my girlfriend you're talking about.
You can have her back.
I'll see you later, Mrs. Robbins. Thanks. Bye. Bye.
Because you're fired! I don't need
Do
you!
it yourself then! I refuse to work like this!
Get out!
Calvin?
I told you to get out here!
It's me, Anna. I'm not sure if you remember from
You?
school.
What are you doing here? You have to go, you can't be here!
Are you okay?
None of a business, get out!
Hello, Calvin. It's me, Anna. I was babysitting across the hall when I saw you fire your housemaid. I know we don't really know each other that well, but I feel like you disappeared and I found you, and I thought you might need my help. you there? It's me, Anna. I know you don't really want anybody over, but I've come a long way, and I brought food. Calvin, please.
Wait.
Where's your family?
Dad.
I'm so sorry. How do you support yourself?
My inheritance.
What happened?
None of your business. Why interrupt me?
I'm trying to be your friend.
I was in a fight. My visual cortex was severely damaged when I fell.
Calvin,
I haven't left this apartment since getting back from the hospital. My life is over.
your life isn't over. I'll help you put it back. We'll start by cleaning up your apartment. We'll start with the roaches.
Cockroaches?
The spray, it's gonna take a couple hours to dissipate.
So what?
So go outside. I don't know. I could use some air. Like, go take a walk around the block. Nothing crazy, just put...
No, I don't want to.
Calvin.
No.
Calvin, I'm with you.
No.
I'm with you.
No, why?
I'm not going anywhere.
Okay. 5 minutes.
Good. Here's the code. Okay?
Wait. Listen. Anna?
Ready for night trip out?
Since our first walk, I have wanted to visit the beach.
Why?
When I was a child, my parents would take me on vacations to the shore. The light from the sunset would shine on the waves, and I thought the water was on fire. Since I lost my vision, I've been seeing that fire all over again in my mind.
It was really nice at the beach yesterday. I think we should go again.
Oh wow, look at this painting. Oh, look at this. Very nice, very nice. Look at all the colors. Amazing.
Let's get out of here.
Pretty good. Sometimes. Hot pot was really good.
Yeah.
I got you something.
What's that?
Open it.
Is this a joke?
No. Calvin, you're a painter, and it's about time you got painting again. I gave you those in case you wanted to start up.
How am I supposed to paint if I can't see?
Calvin, it doesn't mean you can't paint. It'll just be different. You can still do it.
No. I can't. I won't. Anna. Anna, where are you? Anna. Anna? Anna, are you okay?
Okay, Calvin.
I'm sorry, Anna. I'm so sorry. I'm sorry, Anna.
Calvin, can't you see I'm on your side?
Please forgive me. I'm so sorry.
Do you trust me?
You are the only one I can trust.
Okay. I think you just need to orient yourself with the canvas again. Here. Get used to its shape again, and its edges and its size. Feel it.
This is ridiculous.
Calvin, put your hands up. Now find the middle, the center, the horizontal center on top. Good. Now find the center of the whole thing. Good job! I got you some paints. want you to smell this, okay?
Grapes.
Yes, and this one.
Lemon.
Yes. Oh my gosh. This is hard. You're gonna get this one first.
Orange.
Okay. You're gonna like this next one.
Strawberry.
Yes. Good.
What do you think?
I always knew a blind person could paint better than me.
A person once taught me that even in the darkness, there's always a flame to guide you. That there's always something to hope for.